Namaste. Today we are performing 75th birth anniversary of Srimati Kampampati Krishna Kumari Amma Garu's name we are performing at Annadanam. The World Teacher Trust California group members seeks her blessings to serve the good. Sponsored by today 3-time meals World Teachers Trust California group through Open Humanity. You people are every year doing wonderful service. On behalf of all our family of Abhay Kshetram and Open Humanity, we are always grateful to World Teachers Trust California group. We are conveying our sincere thanks to you and you are seeking blessings of Kampampati Krishna Kumari Amma Garu's. We all need blessings of her. Definitely our blessings always with everybody and before Annadanam, we would like to do a small puja.
Annadata Sukhi Bhava
Govinda, Govinda,
Govinda, Govinda,
Govinda, Govinda,
Govinda, Govinda,
Govinda, Govinda,
Govinda,